Today we are making my favorite dish, lasagna, with beef and vegetables. For this recipe we need minced meat, and onion, and some vegetables, and some passata, diced tomatoes, and lasagna sheet. We need some mozzarella and ricotta cheese. First we need to cook onion and minced meat. Now let's put diced tomato and passata in. Now let's put diced tomato in. Let's stir it for a bit before we put vegetables in. Now let's put vegetables in. Okay. Whoopsie.
Oh my god.
Now let it cook for a bit. While the sauce is cooking, let's prepare the cheese. This is like noodles. Can I have one? Delicious. I have added yogurt by cheese sauce to make it a bit runny. Our sauce is ready. Now let's do the fun part and layer our lasagna. Take some lasagna sheets. Let's put a smaller parts on the bottom. Let it grown up with the sauce in because it's still hot. Let's put a cheese on. Let's sprinkle some mozzarella. Let's put another layer of lasagna sheets. Sauce again. Let's sprinkle some cheese. Our lasagna is ready to go in the oven. Lasagna needs to bake for half an hour.